Halfway between Whistler Village and Creekside, Alta Vista offers prime real estate with a nice mix of log homes, ski chalets, and an assortment of rarely available lakefront properties. Alta Vista is one of the few neighborhoods in Whistler to offer coveted lakefront real estate on Alta Lake. These homes are highly desirable because they face west and get afternoon and late day sunshine, and unlike Green Lake, which is very cold for swimming due to its glacial water, Alta Lake is one of Whistler's best swimming lakes with pleasant summer water temperatures. With close proximity to Lakeside Park, you'll love the abundance of summer sports. Lakeside Park has everything you need, offering rentals of canoes, paddleboards, and sailboats. Plus, there's a big beach, a grassy picnic area, and a boat ramp for launching small boats on Alta Lake. Adjacent to Lakeside Park, you'll find the stunning homes at Lakecrest with some incredible Lakeview luxury home options available there as well. Now, if you want to explore all of Whistler's other neighborhoods, we've got a playlist right here. And if you never want to miss my weekly videos, just subscribe.